It run all the way down. That's what we want. There we go. Now, little mozzarella cheese, like this. Go ahead and spread it kind of all the way across. Of course, we need some pepperonis, so we're gonna top it off like this. Spread them out. There we go. Now, these are epic loaded fries. Here we go. To the oven. Right here. Nice and melty, and the fries hot, hot, hot. Be right back to pick it up, grab these, and move over this way. We got these beautiful, beautiful dinner rolls, and there's butter that is just amazing. We got roasted tomatoes, of course garlic, some red chili flakes. Put these on here. Come through with the bottoms. Careful not to break it. Look at that. Nice. And here we go. We're going to get this left over here and pour just a little bit here and a little bit here. Come through with the brush quickly. And there we go. And flip this. Beautiful. I'll let that carefully grill just a bit. Toast them. Should be perfect, y'all. Whoa, whoa. And here we go. Place it over here gently. Little bit of sauce with my little ladle. Some marinara. Spread it just a bit over here. We're going to come through with a little parmesan. This. Beautiful buttered onions. Mix it around. We got some bell peppers and of course mushrooms. Give it a little mix. Look at that. Grab it. Fries and spread them on like this. There we go. We're gonna save some for the side. And here we come with the best part. All we have to do now is enjoy. Like this. Like this. Sliders are sliding all the way. And here we go.
Homemade bechamel, and this is our homemade pizza dough. I'm gonna start folding in, pushing out, folding in, pushing out, and just continue this process. Go back around, press the crust into the bottom of it. We're gonna squeeze and make little divots. Take your pair of scissors, get them straight down, and we're going to cut one on the outside, one on the inside. Outside and finished. From here, just going to open it up because you want to see that wonderful cheddar bechamel. Now I have my tomato sauce. We're just going to spread this out. You don't want too much. Go to the corners. And of course you got to add some mozzarella. Add a little Parmesan. So now it's on to the next step. I have some pepperoni here. Take a cookie cutter, push down into the pepperoni. And we're just going to repeat the process. I'm going to take my next little stack of pepperonis. I'm going to go around it and just press down. I'm going to do this 3 times. Gonna take some shredded pieces of our pepperoni. Now I'm gonna take a little baby bell. Place that right in the center. And then I got two that I cut already. I'm gonna place that here. Looks like get a little flower party. It's time to put everything together. We got our pizza on our pizza stone. Our grill is hot. We're gonna put that right on top. Now it's time to close and cook. All right, so let's see this thing. Wow, does that not look absolutely incredible? Adding that little bit of greenery.
Glaze it, beautiful. We're gonna follow through with a little reduced balsamic vinegar straight from Modena, home of Ferrari. Go like this. And we're gonna top this off with a little yellow mustard. Like that. Give it a little mix. Get all those flavors in the meat. Beautiful. Get the bottom part done too. Come through with a little mix of garlic, salt, black pepper, and paprika. Put it on there so we can get the bottom. Just like that. Finish it off with a dash of oregano. Why? Because this is going to be out of this world, full of flavor. Bring it on here. Shiny side inside, that way it keeps the heat in. We wrap it up nice and tight, and we go straight to the oven. $275, 2.5 hours, and then we're gonna visit it. World's first ever pizza oven, ribs. Can't get any better. You got best of both worlds all in one. Ooh, that's hot. Be right back to pick it up. This is nice and ready. It smells like it should. Piece of heaven right here. But, woo. See this? Ha. Wow, this smells even better than I expected. Let's go here. Like this. Nice and easy. Just slide it in and slide it out. Go. Making some space for the flavor. Cheddar cheese. Perfect. Come over here. Look at these. Baby, it's time to dig in. Like that. It's coming apart all by itself. Let's go easily. Golly. Look at that. Hot. Nice and juicy. Let's go in here. Make a little space. And we put it inside. Stuff it in there beautifully. Delicious. Grab this, bring it over here. Got a little butter here. And we're gonna place it here. Go like this, and we want all our edges to be nice and toasty with some butter. Because butter makes everything better. There we go. And we flip it. Cool. There we go. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna make individual pieces, individual slices for every one. There we go. Nice. Go ahead and do this. Butter them up. Beautiful. And now we're gonna flip them. Like this. Check this out. Woo. Put that back in there. And we top it off, baby, with some marinara sauce. Little cheese, mozzarella, little pepperonis here and there, and a little more cheese to finish it off. So, just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab these guys like this. Right here. Let's make some space, slide them in. We're off to the oven real quick. Let's get this nice and melty. Ooh, boy. Grab one. Bring it over here, baby. This is bona fide. Oh boy. Baby, tell me you've seen that before. Go with a little honey, yeah, little honey. Just a bit. Little chives for my taste. Baby, look at that. Boy. Beautiful. Guys, enjoy. You can find this recipe at chefclub.tv.